Welcome to our online classes.
ಬಸವಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರೀ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ and higher primary school, Ilkal.
Subject English. Lesson number 3 of the Earth.
The universe. Our universe is a large and unimaginable expanse of atomic dust, gas, stars, dust clouds, galaxies, planets, and all living creatures, including us. Stars and galaxies are just a tiny part of the total mass of the universe. Although nobody knows for sure how the universe began, evidence suggests that it started with an explosion of energy known as Big Bang. Galaxy. Galaxies are huge star systems made up of stars and large amounts of gas and dust held together by gravitational attraction. Our solar system, comprising the 8 planets, including planet Earth, their moons, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids orbiting the Sun, is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. There are millions of such planetary systems in our Milky Way. There are millions of such galaxies in the universe. Do you know? Scientists keep observing, researching, and guessing based on the clues left behind from the birth of our universe.
The Earth is different from other planets. We know that the Earth is the 3rd planet in the solar system, and that it receives sufficient amount of sunlight for life to exist. The Earth is enveloped by a blanket of air known as the atmosphere. The atmosphere contains life-supporting gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. The major part of the Earth's surface is covered with water. The presence of sunlight, air, and water helps us to survive on Earth.
Quarrying, digging, mining, and drilling have taught us a lot about what lies below the surface of the Earth. But these methods of exploration very rarely go deeper than about 10 kilometers. We have barely scratched the surface of our home planet.
The Earth, according to the scientists, was formed some 4.6 billion years ago. It is believed that it was like a ball of hot gases in the beginning. Its outer part cooled down and formed the crust-like layer on which we live. The 3 layers of the Earth are the core. The core is the center of the Earth. It is a huge ball made up of heavy metals. It has 2 layers, the inner core and the outer core. The inner core is solid, while the outer core is in a molten state.
Even though it is extremely hot in the Earth's inner core, it is solid because of the incredibly high pressure on the iron and nickel there. The temperature here is about the same as the temperature of the Sun's surface. The outer core is around 2000 kilometers thick and is our Earth's only liquid layer. The outer core is also made of iron and nickel.
The core is very hot, that is 6000 degrees Celsius. Hence, temperature and pressure conditions in the interior of the Earth are very high. The mantle. The core is surrounded by a lesser hot layer called the mantle. It forms the middle layer of the Earth. The mantle comprises hot molten rocks, minerals, and metals.
It is about 2,900 kilometers thick and accounts for nearly 85% of the total mass and weight of the Earth.
The crust. This is the outermost cool layer of the Earth, which supports life. It has landforms such as hills, mountains, plateaus, etc. The liquid water exists on this layer in lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. The crust is made up of different kinds of rocks and minerals.
It is the thinnest layer, comprising only 1% of the Earth's mass. It is around 6 to 8 kilometers thick under the oceans and around 50 to 70 kilometers under the continents. It is made up of different types of rocks and is brittle in nature.